Question 3, Part C. Shade the region in the plane defined by y greater than or equal to 0 and y less than or equal to 4 minus x squared. Start by drawing a neat sketch of the concave down parabola y equals 4 minus x squared or negative x squared plus 4. Now we know it's concave down because the coefficient of x squared is negative. Now it's centered on the y-axis. That means the vertex lies on the y-axis, which coincides with the y-intercept of the parabola. And the y-intercept is at y equals 4. Now to find the x-intercepts, we solve the equation 4 minus x squared equals 0. That's because the y-coordinates of the x-intercepts is 0. Now we have a difference of two squares on the left-hand side. Factorizing that, we get 2 minus x in brackets times 2 plus x in brackets equals 0. And that gives us the solution x equals plus or minus 2, or positive 2, negative 2, which are shown here and here. Now to consider the region to be shaded, we need to consider the inequalities, which form the conditions necessary in order for us to find the region. Now we have y is greater than or equal to 0, which means the region to be shaded is on or above the x-axis. Now y is less than or equal to 4 minus x squared means, firstly, the parabola itself is part of the solution because it's less than or equal to. That's also why the parabola is drawn using a solid line, not a dashed line. If it was y is less than 4 minus x squared, the curve itself has to be drawn with a dashed line because it's not part of the solution, nor not part of the region. So y less than or equal to 4 minus x squared represents the region underneath the parabola. So combining these two conditions, the region has to be above the x-axis but below the parabola. This gives us the region shaded here.